Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I have got something exciting news for all Elementor users out there. And Elementor Pro has just released her latest version of 3.20.1 and has some great enhancement bug fixed. And as you can see, there has two bug fixed Elementor does. And first one is single element has updated. Here some code is updated, and the second one is loop grid or taxonomy filter widget. So if I say what update in this single Elementor widget, so if you are not update your Elementor to before, if you use Elementor before version, so if you use this WooCommerce single element, it will not you will see some bug. And in here actually single element widget, this is achieved by reviewing your update the widget code and eliminate potential vulnerability and bug details. So you have to update your Elementor Pro because here has some vulnerabilities possibilities. And second one is a loop grid taxonomy filter widget. That is if I go to my Elementor and if I go to theme builder, in this theme builder you can see this is the loop item. Here has some updated is loop of loop item. So here are the two features Elementor updated. And if you need here I have some announcement for you. If you need Elementor GPL version of this latest version, you can go to my buy me a coffee link, and here you can see this is the buy me a coffee link. Is a GPL version, and actually it's the latest version of 3.20.0, and it's a $4. And if you need Elementor license key, so license key need only $8. So if you go to Elementor official page, if you want to buy a single license page, it is for $59 for years. So I will provide one only $8. And here you can say how I provide only $8 by this Elementor Pro. So actually I buy this product, actually expert product, sometimes buy agency product, and then some of user or some of subscriber need, and some of WooCommerce builder actually need Elementor Pro the single one, and then they don't need to waste money, extra money. So that's why I buy this expert package and then provide to them though actually who wanna buy Elementor Pro license key. So if you actually buy Elementor license key, you can update anytime, and when Elementor gives some update, and you can easily update. And if you are update your Elementor Pro, you are already in safe zone. You are so sorry for that. Okay, so I think hope you guys enjoy the video. Finally I would like to announce one more thing, that is if you want to learn how to make a conditional form. So if you wanna know more about conditional form, like if I click checkbox that I am under 18 years old, and it will get we will see some extra field is showing over here. And if I click this this option, and upload button is showing over here. If I uncheck this option, and it will gone, and uncheck this option, it will gone. So how we can make this kind of form? If you want to know more, if you want to know, please comment below. Let's say I'd like to know this conditional form by WP form, so I will make a video for you. So thank you guys. So hope you are doing great. And so don't forget to buy Elementor Pro from my buy me a coffee. So I will provide I will actually provide a very low price Elementor license key. So why you wasting your time? So thank you very much.